Bullish Illuvium cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $289.43 and $630.31 by 2030. Market investigators accept ILV could reach $289.43 by 2025. Bearish Illuvium market cost expectation for 2022 is $51.45. Illuvium presentation. We will direct you through the present moment and long-haul cost expectations for Illuvium in this piece. From how ILV contrasts from other digital currencies in addressing most of the local blockchain difficulties to the Illuvium cost figure for the accompanying 10 years up to the present, we will cover everything in this video. What is Illuvium? Illuvium is one of the freshest crypto games to stir things up around town. Yet financial backers are energized by its true capacity. Clients get the chance to investigate the science fiction planet Illuvium during the play to acquire insight, where they might take part in battle with and accumulate NFT creatures. As they investigate various nations and battle down beasts known as Illuvials, players expect the job of a tracker. Clients might bring in cash in various ways, for example, through beating rivals in fights and winning competition prizes. Illuvium's ongoing interaction highlights are very like those of Axie Endlessness, a well-known cryptographic money game where players likewise secure particular NFT creatures. Illuvium stands separated, however, in view of its longing to make an AAA title or a very good quality, top-quality game. To help it achieve this, there are essentially two parts. Players might investigate and draw in with a shocking 3D climate in Illuvium's open-world mode. As per the white paper, for certain players, the allure of the game will venture to every part of the globe and social affair Illuvial. This might be very productive, particularly on the off chance that a player is fruitful in catching areas of strength for something phenomenal. ILV, the Illuvium coin image, is the cerebrums of the Illuvium crypto game. Players are compensated with this Illuvium cryptographic money to continue to play and are urged to do as such. The symbolics administration highlights, which let proprietors to partake in the game's advancement through the DAO, are another element empowering financial backers to hold their venture. Illuvium is likewise venturing into the DeFi world. ILV marked by financial backers can yield ranch benefits before they might be eliminated. However, these are locked for a year. Furthermore, holders will actually want to pull out SILV advanced coins in their place rapidly. These are utilized in the game and might be utilized to purchase things. It is critical to comprehend that in light of the fact that SILV isn't recorded on a blockchain and can't be removed, it's anything but a digital currency. Illuvium crucial examination. Illuvium is an open-world investigation, NFT animal gatherer, an auto-battler game that will be delivered in 2022 for PC and Macintosh. It was made on the Ethereum blockchain. In a science fiction experience with a lot of illustrations, you might play for remunerations while you investigate the climate and accommodate your accident-landed team. Illuvium specialized examination. In light of verifiable information, there is a nonpartisan standpoint at Illuvium costs in the short run. Our specialized markers foresee that Illuvium's 200-day SMA will decrease temporarily. The transient 50-day SMA for Illuvium cost is likewise expected to be negative. Well-known force oscillator. The overall strength record may decide if a digital currency is overbought or oversold. The ILV market is in a nonpartisan situation for the present moment. Illuvium current cost. Illuvium is as of now worth $64.32 USD. ILV has moved 7.80% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,241,879. Illuvium is as of now positioned 246 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $102,754,550 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Illuvium to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Illuvium Value Forecast 2022. Illuvium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ILV cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $96.48. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $90.04 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ILV is supposed to have a base worth of $77.18. Illuvium Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Illuvium ILV cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ILV will before long outperform $160.79. Notwithstanding, We ought to hold back to check whether the ILV's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ILV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $128.63 and a typical exchanging cost of $141.50. Illuvium Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $225.11 and ILV might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ILV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $205.82 and a low of $192.95 in 2024. Illuvium Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Illuvium effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the ILV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ILV will be green in 2025. The ILV is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $289.43, with a base cost of $257.27 and a typical cost of $270.13. Illuvium Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ILV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $334.45 by 2026, with a base cost of $321.59 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ILV has a most extreme value worth of $353.74. Illuvium Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $398.77. In the event that ILV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $418.06. Neglecting to assemble the help ILV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $385.90. Illuvium Value Forecast 2028. While ILV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $450.22 and a yearly cost close above $482.38 in 2028. Illuvium Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Illuvium will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $514.54 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $546.70, averaging out at $527.40. Illuvium Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous